morning, Remy. Hi everyone, so today is my very first day actually vlogging. Today is my first day back to school after winter break, so I'm just getting ready right now, and then I'm gonna get my stuff ready and I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna take you with me. I really need to get a shovel because these are not safe and I'm going to be ending up slipping on them one of these days. School. It is about a 45-minute drive and I have a little bit extra time, so I'm going to go to the lab and I'm going to print out some stuff. This is my 5th year in college, and no matter how many first days that I have had, I still get so nervous that I am going to go to the wrong class and I'm going to have to get up in the middle of that class and leave after realizing that's not the class I'm supposed to be in. I am always scared of that, and I don't know why, but I just hope I don't ever do it. So I have finally made it home after what feels like a very long day at school. I only had 2 classes today, and then I had a small break in between them, but I'm very exhausted. I only got a few hours of sleep last night, so I think tonight I'm just going to take it easy. I'm going to get into bed. I'm going to work on getting the channel finished. I'm making videos. I don't have the full channel finished yet. So yeah, I'm just going to take it easy tonight. This weekend, I think me and Larissa are going to try to make a challenge video. It is hard because we live across the country from each other. However, we're going to try to find challenges to do that we can both record on either end and I can put them together. I hope it works and we're able to do it. I think it'd be a lot of fun. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Me and Larissa both are still learning how, like, pretty much everything about vlogging. It's all new to us. It's all learning. It's a really good experience so far. I'm really enjoying it, and I know Larissa's really enjoying it. And subscribe if you want to see more, or if you want to look out for that challenge video we're going to try to make. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day or night whenever you're watching this. So, bye!